Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can clear search history on Spotify. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. In order to clear your search history on Spotify, first thing, make sure that you've already updated your application. In case if you haven't, go to your Play Store and then on the search box type in Spotify, and then you'll be taken to the page where you'll be able to see update or open. If you have update, which means that the update is available, and then you'll need to update the application. You can simply log in into your Spotify account. After that, you'll be directed to the home page. After you're logged into your account, in the top right corner there is a clock icon. Just click on it, and as you can see that these are all the search history, all the recently played music. Now in order to clear it, click on the search bar, which is right at the bottom, and right on top click on the search bar, and after that once again you'll be able to see all the search history. You can go on tapping on this cross icon right in the corner, but you need to do it one by one. So in order to delete all your search history, recent searches, which is right at the bottom in the bottom left corner, and as you can see that the search history has been cleared, and in this way you can clear your search history on Spotify. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.